Ever wished for thicker, fuller hair? Introducing a revolutionary new hair extension product exclusive to our Veda network and available at all Tangerine locations.
In a single service, you can instantly thicken and transform your hair at a fraction of the cost of traditional hair extensions. What used to be a time-consuming, hours-long appointment can now be achieved in as little as 15 minutes, transforming the volume, and if you choose, the length of your hair. The hair extension industry is full of product that is sourced from children and disadvantaged people in Asia, South America, and India. Not so with Tangerine's Vomor hair. All product is ethically sourced in a fair market trade from China. This hair is not only ethically sourced, but is also smoother, shinier, and has a healthier appearance than non-Remy hair. After multiple washes, the hair maintains its luster and has a year, even 2 in some cases, before needing to be replaced. Investing in Vomor will transform your look, bringing fuller, thicker hair. Wake up every day with the hair you love.